Hi, welcome to a2zknowledge.com. So today we are going to discuss about a topic in Python, input is voice and output is going to be a text, and that will be get saved in a file. So what is the use of this particular exercise? You can build your own mini assistant, right? A Python assistant. You can create an assist. So you can use these kind of an voice input and text output in a different ways. Like you can draft a content, you can draft an email, or you can make a control in other applications. You can write your own program to open a notepad and open a Word document, open a PowerPoint, and then you can write your content. So that way also you can make use of this exercise. And today we are just going to see like how to give voice input and that how Python captures it and write it in a file. Okay. This is an basic program which is available in even in internet, like how to capture a voice and display that as a text. So I'm using the speech recognition API, means the package which you can download by using pip install command, or you can use go to your PyCharm file setting, and then where you can click your interpreter and then you can download the package. Okay, so project interpreter, click here, and then you can download your package. Just give speech recognition. You will get the package and install it. And I'm just using while true so that my program will never get end. It will be get continued. So that's the reason. So else if you are not using this while true, if your voice is captured for the first time and then it displays as a text, then the program will be get killed. So to avoid it until I kill the program, it has to be get executed and it has to show the words whatever I'm speaking. And then next, so I'm creating an instance for the recognizer, and then I'm using with sr.microphone, and you need a microphone which is going to be the source for your voice, the input, and for sure you need it. And then as a source, and you give an alias name, and then audio equal to r.listen because you are speaking. If it's going to be an audio file, and then you just want to give your audio file as an input, and then you need to convert everything as a text, then you have to give here as recorder instead of giving the listen, the word, the function, and then you have to give the audio path file path here. Okay, now I just written a exception handler to avoid the unexpected termination of the code. So I'm giving file name draft.txt, which will be created within your project because you have not given any specific path. And then I'm just open a file, and then a plus will append a file, will append. So else what it will do, it will overwrite when I give just w plus. And then recognized text equal to, it's a variable, r dot recognize Google underscore Google Audio. So this is the syntax as a predefined function which helps the Python to retrieve the content, the audio from the microphone, and then convert that to text. And then I'm just printing this so that I can see what I'm speaking is really coming correct or not. And this the same content will be get stored in the file which is draft.txt, and this file will be get created for you. You don't want to create it. Even you create it, it's not a wrong thing. Let that file can be get exist already, or it can be get created newly. So now I'm just splitting it with nothing, and then while reminder, when the reminder has a content, it has to do this operation. So what is this operation is all about? So I just want the Python to write only 5 words per line, and then if it exceeds more, it has to come to the new line. And then when the Python hears the word by, it has to break. That means it has to kill the program. And then I'm handling the exception. So now I will just run this code and I will speak something. Okay, I will just run here. Hi, how are you? Hope things are going good for you. Bye. Okay, so now if you see the code has got completed because I said bye. So now if I open this draft.txt, you can see whatever the content I have speak. I have just I've just given an input to my microphone. Everything has been stored in a file. So you can enhance this program by integrating this with Google Gmail and then or Yahoo Mail you can configure the SMTP server so that you can send an email by just saying in a voice. So that will be get drafted in the compose box of Gmail and Yahoo, and then you can send it, which is very simple. And as I told you already, the same way you can control all the applications in your machine. You can ask your notepad to open, you can ask your Word document to open or a media file to open. So just you can control your applications via voice. So like the way you are building a mini assistant for you to do all the activities. So thanks for watching A to Z Knowledge.com. If you really like this video, subscribe my channel and forward this to your friends and colleagues. We provide videos in many technologies, not only Python, we even provide Java and databases and data science in Python and chatbot in Python. All the links you can get from the description box of this video. And we provide videos in two languages, English and Tamil. Thanks for watching A to Z Knowledge.com.